Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you all are fine. I am your math teacher Shahzeb Zafar from Maryland High School, and today I teach you tricks about square root. So these tricks are very interesting and very easy. Just I need your focus. First I talk about square. Square of 2 is 4. Square of 3 is 9. Square of 4 is 16, square of 5 is 25, square of 6 is 36, square of 7 is 49, square of 8 is 64, and square of 9 is 81, and square of 10 is 100. So square root is inversely proportional to square. Just like if I find the square of 2 is 4, then square root of 4 is equal to 2. That is inversely proportional. If I have to find the square root of 9, that is equal 3. One thing more, when we find the square root of any number, then we use plus and minus. Plus and minus. Why we use plus and minus? Reason is, when I take the square of plus 3, and we know that square mean 3 multiply with 3, and number multiply with itself, 3 3s are 9, positive 9. And when I take negative 3, again minus 3 multiply minus 3, and we know that when we multiply two different numbers, first we multiply their sign. Minus multiply with minus, we get the positive, and 3 3s are 9. Again we get positive 9. So I don't know this positive 9 are square of plus 9 or negative 9, because the square of plus 9 is. So I cannot choose any random number. I just choose a number which is perfect square. Just like square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16, not 10, 11, 12. 9, 16, 25, 36, these are the perfect scale. So I choose a perfect number scale. 576, I choose a number, this is a perfect scale. And how I find its square root? First I check its last number, that is 6. Then I check here which number is ending with 6, square of 6, that is 4 and 6. Square of 4 is 16, last number is 6. Square of 6, 36, last number is 6. So there maybe last number is 6 or 4. 6 or 4. Then I check the last number. First number, then the last digit. Last digit is 5. Which number square of near to this one? So check here from 2. Square of 2 is 4. Square of 3 is 9. So it's near to square of 2. Near of 2. I write here 2. Now I choose which number I use, 4 or 6. Then I get 2 and multiply with next number, I get 6. I get 6. But this is 5. 6 is more than 5 and 5 is less than 6. So I choose a less number, a smaller number. So square root of this amount 576 is 24. Look again, first I check the first digit with ending with the same number. I have 6 and 4, 4 and 6, then I write 4 and 6, and then I going to check the last number 5, and look here from which number complete square close to this number, that is square of 2, that is near to 5, 4. So I choose 4 and then multiply with the next number, 2 3s are 6, and then compare with this number. So 6 is greater than, so I choose a less number because 5 is less than 6. So here I choose a less number. Then again I take different example. So again I check the last number, that is 9, and here I know that last number ending with 7. Square of 7 is 49 and 3. So here maybe 3 or 7, but at that time I not confirm. Then I check the last two digit. Here only one digit. First I compare this two, then last number, then check the last two, compare with last two. 18. So here 18 is near to 16, square of 4, so here must be 4. Then I multiply 4 with next number is 5, 4 5s are 20, but this is 18 less than 20, so I choose here less number or smaller number 3. So 43 is a square root of this number. I just choose a complete perfect square. Take another example. Again I check the last digit, that is 4, and the square of complete number 4 ending with the 4, that is 8 and 2. 2 and 8. Then I check last two digit. First two digit, that is 33, and that is near to square of 6, 36. So square of 6, then multiply 6 with the next number, that is 42, but this 33 is less than 42, so I choose a smaller number. So 62 is a square of 3364. Again I take a more example. 8281. So last digit is 1, so I compare from that is square of 80, 90 is 81 and square of 1 is 1, because how many times we multiply 1 with 1, again and again multiply, we get only 1. So ending of the number is 1, maybe here 1 or 9, because the square of 1 is 1 and square of 9 is 81, last number ending number is 1. Then I check these two numbers. 82, that is near to almost 9, square of 9, that is 81. Right here 9, then multiply with its next number. 9 times are 90, but I have only 82. 82 less than 90, so I choose here a smaller number. So 91 is a square root of 8281. I hope you understand. You do well practice of these different sum offs to find the square root. This is the end of today's class.